Hello, my name is Les Folds. I'm an architect in the EATMA support team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to explore the EATMA model using HobX Mega on the web. I'm already logged into Mega as a contributor. If you need to know how to get to this position, please view the training video called Mega for EATMA Training, Logging In and Out. I will be showing you how to navigate around the model, where significant EATMA elements can be found, and how to use a basic search to find an element. On the left side of the screen are a number of blue tabs called trees. These trees show different views of the EATMA model. The set of trees and views available to you are dependent upon your access role, which is set by the Mega administrator. The main tree to be used in this demonstration is the Home Viewer Control tree. The main library of EATMA is called EATMA Working VX, where X represents the version. Other libraries may be called POC, Sandbox, etc. EATMA models, even though they may have similar elements and structure. If the EATMA model has been released, then its name will be EATMA Released VX. Again, X represents the version. The other libraries that are visible are the Mega and XX deprecated objects. The Mega library holds items relevant to Mega only and is not used in EATMA. The XX deprecated objects library hold elements of EATMA that have been deleted but are still available in the model to rectify mistakes. We can now start to explore EATMA by clicking on the little plus sign to the left of a library to expand it, in the same way as you are familiar with when exploring a disk file structure in Windows. You may wonder why some EATMA elements and libraries are enclosed in square brackets. This is a convention used in EATMA to identify those parts of EATMA that are not required to be shown on the ATM1 portal. We can now see the top level of the EATMA model. There are many libraries and it looks a bit daunting, but let's explore further. The little book icons represent libraries, which can hold further libraries and which eventually hold folders. These are represented by the yellow folder icon, which will actually contain the EATMA elements. We can drill down by clicking on the plus sign to the left of the library or folder until the lowest level element is visible. You will notice that all EATMA elements in a library are held in folders associated with the element type. This means that all functional processes are held in a folder called functional process. You cannot store elements in any folder you like. Mega decides this for you based on the type of element. If you create a new element in Mega library, Mega will create the necessary folder or use an existing one. We can close open libraries and folders in a similar way by clicking on the minus symbol to the left of the library or folder. I am now going to show you how to use the simple search facility of Mega. To search EATMA for a specific element, you first need to decide the type of element to search for. In this instance, I want to find a service, so I start typing service in the search type field. You see Mega offers suggestions as you type. You can use the drop-down list to select as well. Once the element type is selected, you can press the green Go arrow or filter further by name by entering text in the name field. I will filter these services starting with airport and then press the Go arrow. Mega finds a set of services meeting the search criteria and displays them in the right-hand search pane. If we select an element in the search pane, we see the properties of the element are displayed in the center pane. As I mentioned earlier in this presentation, the trees on the left-hand side allow us to access the EATMA model in other ways. One of the more useful trees is the favorite tree. This allows us to store EATMA elements that we need to access or use frequently. We can drag one of the recently found services from the search result list to our favorites folder. The location of the service in EATMA is unchanged, but a new link is established showing all of the favorite holders that are interested in this particular element. The main objects tree shows the main objects of EATMA grouped by type rather than by the structure of EATMA. To see all of the defined systems, we can select and open the Artifacts folder to show the set of systems defined in EATMA. The projects tree shows the set of projects grouped into operational improvements, business needs and enablers. Enablers are further subgrouped into system, institutional, human and procedural. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.